Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 software update not installing. First, ensure that you have network connection. If I click on the three lines in the top left corner, I can go to the settings, then Wi-Fi. Now I'll click on search for networks, it'll enable Wi-Fi, and then I'll need to connect to one. Once I enter its password, it will take a moment to connect. It should display on the very top as connected once it is. Yeah, now it is connected. Let's go back, scroll all the way down in the settings and go to ThermoMix version and update. Search for updates and then, well, it says you are currently offline, even though I'm not. So for that, yeah, let's just go out of it and go back into it. My software is up to date, but if you weren't able to update still, then make sure to restart your device. So press and hold on the power button. Then after the screen goes off, wait for about half a minute and then turn it back on and see if it helps. That should help. Of course, as long as after the restart you still have Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your connection is stable. Make sure that if you connect another device like your smartphone to your Wi-Fi, it also can access the internet. Try moving the router closer to your ThermoMix. Also try in a few hours, maybe the next day, maybe there's some server issue, and make sure that the machine stays powered throughout the whole download and installation process of the update, and you shouldn't do anything besides installing the update, so you shouldn't cook while it's updating. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.